Hi friends, Jay Eichmann Road Test Success. Great video coming in from the eastern US. I like this video. It has that rear view camera view so you can actually simulate checking your rear view mirror. I also like it because this is a combination of closed course and open course, open road course. So you'll see some cone skills demonstrations including parallel parking, Y-turn, and different skills. And you'll also be taken onto the open road so you can practice checking your blind spots, mirrors, things like that. This driver is skilled. He does an exceptional job. He does receive a deduction, and I don't quite understand it. Later, towards the end of the video on the open road, he's going through some intersections, each of which have a yield sign, but the examiner expected him to stop on a yield even though the lane was clear. You watch, you be the judge, let me know. Thank you for this student contributing their video. If you're interested in contributing your own video, then we do offer compensation for that. You can actually have your dash camera paid for in exchange for sharing your video. So the pre-vehicle inspection is complete and the test is about to begin. We will start on the closed course cone portion. The driver will be doing backing and parallel parking and other skills. Stick around to the open road portion and watch for those yield signs. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should the student have received a deduction as the examiner stated?
Parallel parking.
No, go near the white barrier.
Okay.
Stop. Straight line back up. And stop. Now parallel parking between this cone and this cone, right here. Parallel parking. Now reverse parking between this cone and the other cone, right there. Yes. Which signal did you turn on?
And very well start.
Reverse. Yeah.
Okay, I want to point out something
Now go
here
near the stop sign, sir.
that can be tricky on these closed courses, and I've seen students fail for this. there is a miniature stop sign, a smaller stop sign because it's closed
Go
course.
near the other stop sign, take a left turn.
And did you hear how the examiner said go
No,
to
no,
the
no,
other
not there. There.
Okay.
go to the other stop sign and take a left? Understand you still need to stop at that stop sign. I've seen students who feel that because the examiner said, yeah, just go up ahead to the other stop sign, that they can drive through that miniature closed course stop sign. Do not do that. Obey all traffic signs, even in the closed course setting, because you will have an automatic fail if you run through that closed course stop sign. So far so good. The student has passed all of the closed course skills, and now we head onto the open road. Take a look for these yield situations and see what you think.
We will take a left turn over the signal light. At the
So
traffic
this
light, left turn.
this intersection is not our right turn on red intersection, but there's a tricky situation here. This is a left turn. I believe there's a left turn arrow for this driver, or at the very least it's yield on green. But notice this oncoming truck. They are into the right turn lane, and that oncoming truck must yield. So our driver has the right of way and handles it very well. Cautiously proceeds through the intersection, making sure that that truck does not in fact try to get out in front of him. So very well done in a tricky situation for our driver.
Right turn at the traffic light.
So here comes one of those right turn intersections, and it is a red, but there's the yield.
What is the speed limit here?
40.
So I believe we have another one or two of those types of intersections. A lot of yield right-hand turn lanes on these roads. Let's keep watching and see how this student does, and then listen to the examiner's feedback at the end.
We will take another right turn at the traffic light.
Right?
Right.
So here's what doesn't make sense to me about the examiner's deductions that you should have stopped on the red for the right turn. If you truly should have stopped, then wouldn't that be considered running a red light and a critical error? So there's a disconnect on the deductions / street signs. But let's hang in there. This is a very talented driver. Let's see how they finish the test and hear the examiner's comments at the end.
Back to DDS. Right here. Right in parking lot. Yeah, park somewhere in this parking lot. Park anywhere you like.
So if you want to review those two intersections, you'll find them at the 7:05 mark and the 7:45.
Thank you. And I want to point out that when we were taking right turn, first right turn, it was a red light. You have to completely stop before you merge to right. But you just ran. So I took up 2 points. Otherwise, you are very good.
Thank you.
You pass the test, go inside, she will give you the
Right.
license, okay?
What should I